Hi there, this is Jane with C. Jane Drive Results. I'm here with another Cook Unity review. This is an episode of C. Jane Eat. So today I'm eating the pork tenderloin with caramelized onions and gorgonzola sweet potato gratin. So I got this and I was excited about the sweet potato gratin. I happen to like sweet potatoes a lot. They're one of my favorites, especially nutritionally. They're high in potassium, which I love. Pork, I like pork. I was excited about this, but it's called tenderloin, but there's nothing tender about it, unfortunately. It's the little pieces that are the tenderloin cut. After microwaving 3 minutes as instructed. Very chewy. I recommend pan searing it for like a second. I don't know. I would do it differently now. But if I only had a microwave, I wouldn't order it. Then as far as the sweet potatoes, they have cheese on them. Well, I guess that's why they're gratin. This is one of the onions. It's kind of like transparent. They have a little pearl onion in there too. Looks like that. It's good. I think I would rate it like a 7. It would have been like an 8 if the pork had been tender as advertised. But I actually microwaved the wrong thing when I put this in the microwave. I had intended to microwave this mac and cheese that's behind me. It's microwaving right now. And because this wasn't the best, I think I'll save the rest of it for tomorrow at lunchtime. Oh, by the way, the gorgonzola dressing was pretty good. All right, I'll be right back with the other entree. All right, so I am back with the mac and cheese. And this is Chris Rattel's pork tenderloin with caramelized onions. I tried another one of his mac and cheese entrees in the past. I believe it was the barbecue chicken. And I thought it was really good. But I wasn't sure if this was the one which I thought tasted like the macaroni and cheese my mom made. So I wanted to find out. It's super duper hot right now though. Well, it's definitely different than the one I had before, but it's so good. It's got some ground beef in it and some cheese, and I can tell you this is definitely nothing like what my mom made with ground beef and macaroni. This isn't really macaroni. It's like a spiral pasta. I don't know the name of this. It's like shaped like an S. And it's got some white cheese on it and some ground beef that I can identify. It says it has caramelized onions. It does have a really good flavor. It's really, really good. Really good as a comfort food. It is not highbrow food. It's not as good as some of the other things that I've tried with the short ribs. But I'll rate it an 8. All right, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Bye.